In this guide, we will show you how to add a new item. To begin, tap the Add Item button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. You are now on the Add Item page, where you can enter your item information. Please note that only the item name and price are required. First, you can add an image for your item. Tap the Add Item Image button. You can take a new photo, choose one from your photo library, or select from the image. Next, enter the item name. For example, you can type burger. Then, enter the selling price. For example, $9.99. If your item uses ingredients from your inventory, tap Connect to Inventory. Here, you will see all ingredients that you have already added to your inventory section. Select the ingredients needed for your item. For example, 1 bun and 20 grams of beef. This allows REST-OB to automatically reduce ingredient quantities whenever the item is ordered, helping you track your stock accurately. After finishing, tap the check icon at the top right corner to save and return to the Add Item page. Now, you can add options to your item, such as size or extras. Tap Add Options. Start by entering the option name. For example, size. Tap the plus button to add choices. Add a choice name such as Big, then enter the additional price, for example 2. Tap plus again to add another choice, such as Medium, with price 1. You can also create another option, such as soda drinks. After changing the option name, add choices like Coca-Cola with price 3. You may also create yes or no options. Simply add both choices and set the price of no to 0 if needed. Each choice can also be connected to inventory by tapping the Connect to Inventory option under the choice. Once you finish adding all options and linking them to inventory, tap the check icon at the top right corner to save and return to the main Add Item page. After reviewing everything, tap the Add Item button. Your new item will now appear on the home page. To quickly add the item to the cart, tap the plus button. If you want to select options, tap the item image to open the item page, choose your options, then tap Add to Cart. You can either stay on the item page or proceed directly to checkout. Thank you for using REST-OB. If you have any questions, please visit restob.com.